Hi guys, this is Salman and you're watching ngntech YouTube channel. Today we are demonstrating you how to install Cisco Call Manager in EXI 6.5. So let's start. But before we start, first I will introducing myself. My name is Salman. I am System Network and Security Specialist in ngntech.com last 15 years. So let's start. This is our EXI 6.5 running. Now the click on. So first I will show you where is my Cisco iOS image. Alright, so this is the Cisco UCS Call Manager image ISO. Alright, so let's start. Click on install. Registrations, Cisco CUCM and Linux, Red Hat 6 764-bit. Next, where's my page? I'm using this data store. And now the creating 8 GB RAM, 2 gig to core, 4 core processors, 1 sockets, 2 sockets. And now click on local DVD ISO file. So I already uploaded Cisco UCM ISO file. Click next, finish. This takes some time, and now the click on the pool startup. Okay, it takes some time to complete the installation. Okay, DVD found. Okay. Alright, so error for the checksum and found local installation media. Alright, so now time to hardware detection. It's taken some time. Alright, so Cisco Unified Communications. The click OK. Okay, the variant of the hardware I have none, yes. Okay, now the time to visit the setup install configuration of the platform. So please proceed and apply the patch. No, the click no. The basic installations, American language, auto negotiate, okay, and the MTU, yes. No, no. 172.16.10.95. This is my call manager. I mean, sorry, 172.16.10.95 is my the mask. 172.16.10.1 this is my the gateway. Okay, the DNS client, yes, 192.168.2.40 this is my the DNS, secondary DNS, and domain ngntech.com. Okay, the administrator ID is admin, password. Okay, and the organization name is ngntech, unit IT, location Lachar, state Pakistan, and okay. And if you have the first node configuration, so yes. Alright, so NTP server. One 192.168.2.5 this is my the NTP support server. Hit OK, the security password. Okay, and the SMTP configuration still now. Right, so click on this disable all systems are okay, and the application username, admin, password. Okay, so my installation starts. Stop the video and back when the installation is complete. Alright, so viewers, my installations is the half 63%. Now it's complete. Maybe it's approximately 25 or 60 minutes depending on the hardware and the RAM. Because I'm using it's very powerful machines, the IBM, one of the best the server rack all the time. But a lot of machines are running in the same server. I'm also using the call manager on the same server. It's looked very nice and the installations are very fast. So keep watching, and when the installation complete, then back to the video. Thanks. Alright, so friends, the installation is still working. So when the installation is complete, then I will resume the video. Just I will check. Alright everyone, so my Cisco Call Manager 11.5.1 is completed. Now log in the CLI and the command line interface is up. Please wait. So the ping and the request is working. Now click on the browser and type HTTPS, or is still working. I mean, still on the sensor 10.95. So still waiting when my UCM is up. Right, so okay. Alright, so everyone, so finally my Cisco Call Manager is almost, I think, finished. So let me check. 110.72.16.10.95. This is my the Call Manager Cisco. So oh wow, that's look nice. And now there's installation finished. Now first login. Return. Alright, so Unified Communication CM Administrator is now login. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. So please like, subscribe my channel, and share, comments, and if you need any informations about system, network, and security, so please feel free to contact me on Skype. My Skype is in the description. So also you can drop down the email on Salman at ngntech.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.